Pray for your enemies. See, have you ever noticed how easy it is to love people who love you back? But Jesus says something shocking in Matthew chapter 5:44. He says, love your enemies, pray for those who spitefully use you. See, that goes basically against human nature. Because when someone hurts us, ignores us, betrays us, or speaks badly about us, our first reaction is usually anger, revenge, or silence. But Jesus teaches a different way. The reason why is because hatred does not only damage the other person, but it slowly damages us. See, bitterness becomes like poison in the heart. It steals peace. It affects our relationship with God and changes the way we see people. And here's something powerful. You cannot genuinely pray for someone every day and continue hating them the same way. See, prayer changes the atmosphere of the heart. Jesus himself showed this on the cross. While nails were in his hands and the people mocked him, he prayed, Father, forgive them. You find this in Luke chapter 23:34. That is supernatural power. See, according to the Bible, loving your enemies does not mean pretending evil is okay. It means refusing to let hatred control your spirit. See, sometimes the person you struggle to forgive is the very person God will use to teach you humility, patience, mercy, and spiritual maturity. And sometimes the greatest freedom is not getting revenge, but it is finally letting God heal your heart. So today, maybe the question is not who hurt me. Maybe the real question is, am I willing to let Jesus change the way I respond to pain? Because when we pray for our enemies, God not only works on them, he works on us too. God bless.